What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Do you know what it means to be credit ghosted? The credit rating methodology ignores those who don't have enough account activity. Much of modern life is based on credit. Even if you prefer cash, a strong credit score may help you save money on insurance and loans, as well as provide you with more options when looking for apartments or mobile phone contracts. Credit cards can assist you to cover unexpected expenses and are almost required for making travel arrangements. Credit bureaus collect reports regarding your account activity when your name is on a credit account. Your credit reports are built by the agencies, and after enough data has accumulated, you'll have a credit score. However, millions of people in the United States do not have enough credit activity to generate credit reports or scores. They're as if they're ghosts when it comes to the credit sector. According to a 2019 study by credit agency Equifax, about 91.5 million Americans either have no credit file or have insufficient information in their file to create a typical credit score. A credit invisible or credit ghost is someone who has no credit history with one of the national credit reporting organizations. Consumers who are unscored have a credit file, but the information is insufficient or outdated to generate a credit score. This can include things like people who are just beginning off in their careers, those who have ceased using credit, such as those who have paid off their house and vehicle and prefer to pay with cash, Americans residing overseas who did not maintain active credit accounts in the United States. It will be difficult for credit newcomers to qualify for credit without a history of utilizing it. However, there are a few options for establishing credit. Request that a family member or friend with a strong payment history add you to his or her credit card account as an authorized user. Ensure that the issuer reports the activities of authorized users to at least one credit bureau. That may be sufficient to start your credit file. Secured credit cards require a deposit and, in many cases, an annual charge, but they are simpler to get since your deposit decreases the lender's risk. As a stepping stone to a regular card, use one. A credit builder loan is one in which you take out a loan but do not receive the funds until you have made all of the installments. You establish a solid credit history by paying on time and in full. In addition to the aforementioned choices, there are modern ways to build credit, such as having your rent payments recorded or using credit-building programs like Experian Boost and UltraFICO, which incorporate positive financial habits into your credit profile. For the greatest outcomes, combine strategies. For example, utilizing a secured card and a credit builder loan together is extremely successful. To get a FICO score, you must have had a credit account open for at least 6 months. Vantage Score, Arrival, checks back 24 months for activity. If you have a credit card but no payment history, you may improve your credit score by using it sparingly and paying on time. You don't need to have a balance on your account to get a credit score. To prevent interest, pay in whole each month. If you don't have a credit card, use the techniques indicated above to establish credit. Use only a tiny amount of your credit limit, no more than 30% and ideally less, as a guideline. Credit usage, or how much of your credit limit you're using, has the second highest impact on ratings. Continue to use your credit card sparingly to ensure that you have access to credit. Set up autopay on each card and send a small, monthly payment, such as your mobile phone bill or Netflix subscription, so you never pay late. Keep your oldest credit cards open until you have a good cause to close them, such as exorbitant fees. Your credit ratings are also influenced by the duration of your credit history. Examine your statements for any questionable behavior. Set up account notifications or check your accounts online on a frequent basis to discover problems early. Using annualcreditreport.com, you can get free credit reports from all 3 main credit reporting bureaus. Examine all 3 and challenge any discrepancies you notice. Now, go get that money.